So, fourth graders, when I am a teacher and take off my glasses, I become Sidebar Man, complete with my glasses. So I'm Sidebar Man. I'm going to help you with how do visuals help me understand when I read. So let's take a look at that. So you've got some visuals in here that help you interpret what you read. One is called a sidebar. So you've got this sidebar here, and it tells you more about the country that we are learning about. So it's a different section from the text, and these are visuals that have captions like a map. You have a flag, so it tells you some information. So when I look at this sidebar on the Republic of Kenya, I know its capital is Nairobi, I know its estimated population is 32 million, and I know it's a country in East Africa. Its climate varies. The coast, which lies on the Indian Ocean, is hot and humid. Inland, the climate is temperate, but the northern part of the country is dry. The official language is English. The national language is Kiswahili, however you say that. So this is some information that was not in the main text when we read about this. So once again, this is Sidebar Man telling you about visuals that help us. So some visuals that we looked at today are sidebars and some visuals such as pictures that sometimes have captions. So now I'm going to change back into my secret identity of mild-mannered Mr. Grant, classroom teacher. See you at group.